Everyone ready to do a second practice problem? Let's take a look. This one's a plant-based one. Question number 2 up here at the top. We're looking at flower shape, it looks like. Our dominant trait is a circular flower. Our recessive trait is a square flower. We go ahead, we make our Punnett square. Okay. Up here we have our flower daddy. It doesn't really matter. It might be our flower mom. They didn't tell us. I'm going to use red in this one for dominant and blue for recessive because C's look like C's, whether they're uppercase or lowercase. Our first parent here has one uppercase, one lowercase. How would we describe that flower? How would we describe this flower up top that has one big C, one little c? One dominant allele, one recessive allele. How would we describe this parent here that has these two alleles? Heterozygous. Very nice, Julian. All right. On our other parent has two recessives. So they're what we would call homozygous recessive. Okay. I'm going to give you a second on your paper to go ahead and fill this in before I fill it in for you. So take the next 20 seconds or so and fill that in. Take about 10 more seconds. All right. So let's go ahead and do that one. Oops, let's go ahead and fix this. All right. So in our top left, we have flower 1 giving one dominant. And flower 2 giving a recessive. Box number 3, same thing. Now, box number 2. Flower 1 is giving recessive. Flower 2 is giving recessive. And box number 4, same thing again. Okay, so if we take a look at our genotypes, go ahead and put in your chat what the different genotypes that could result from this are. Beautiful, Ihosa. Excellent. Okay, so our genotypes, we have heterozygous and homozygous recessive. Yep, Julian, you're spot on. You're ahead of us again. What is the percent chance of getting a heterozygous genotype here? And what's our percent chance of getting homozygous recessive? Great job, guys. Let's talk phenotypes now. We said circular flower is dominant, square flower is recessive. So for our phenotype, what percent chance do we have of having a circular flower? Awesome, 50%. And what about square? Yeah, we have 50% again, right? We see 2 that are going to be square. We see 2 that are going to be round. Okay, we know that these 2 here are going to be round. We know that these 2 here are going to be square. 2 out of 4 is 50%.